Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a stock dyno run on the MK6 Golf to make a baseline when I do a stage 1 remap soon.
I've not lost a single horsepower. Bro, I've not lost a single horsepower over 10 years. So that's stock standard, innit? That's not bad, yeah. Thank you.
2 runs on there and the
More than the standard, bro.
That's the third one.
How does that work?
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not already, and read the information below. It's gonna have all the stats and stuff on it. And yeah, I'm really happy with the results. This is just a normal dyno run, and it's outperformed it's beat my expectations, to be honest. And yeah,